Echoes in the dark, the persistent whisper of abduction, alien abduction. The words themselves send a chill. They speak of the unknown. They whisper of fear. These stories are not new. They have haunted humanity for decades. A persistent shadow in our modern world. Many dismiss them. They call them dreams or hoaxes, but some cannot. For them, the experience is too real, too terrifying to ignore. What is it about these tales? They grip us. They tap into primal anxieties, loss of control, the terror of the unfamiliar, violation of our most private spaces, our homes, our bodies, our minds. These are not mere stories for entertainment. They resonate deeper. They touch something raw within our souls, a hidden fear that we are not alone, and that the others may not be friendly. Culture has absorbed these narratives. Books, films, and TV shows explore these chilling possibilities. The line blurs between nightmare and reality. Consider Arthur Jenkins, a name like any other. He lived an ordinary life, an unremarkable existence. He was an accountant. Numbers were his world. Neat columns, balanced ledgers, everything in its proper place. Predictable, safe. He was not a man given to flights of fancy or wild imaginings. His feet were firmly on the ground, or so he believed, until that one night. Arthur was known for his quiet nature, his meticulous attention to detail. He was a man of routine, respected in his small community. He did not seek attention. He preferred the background, the quiet corners of life, a man you would pass on the street and never look twice at. He was, in every sense, average, unassuming, the perfect witness, perhaps, because who would suspect him of invention? His life was simple. A small house on a quiet street, a loving wife, Sarah, 2 young children. This was his world. It started with a light, a piercing, unnatural light. It flooded his bedroom, bathing everything in an eerie blue glow. Then came a sound, a low, pervasive hum. It vibrated through his bones, through the very foundations of his house. He tried to move. He tried to call out to Sarah. He could not. A profound paralysis gripped him. Terror, cold and sharp, unlike anything before. He was utterly helpless. He felt a sensation of floating, rising from his bed, drifting, towards the window, towards the blinding light that pulsed outside. A vast dark shape loomed beyond the glass. It blotted out the stars. The familiar comfort of the night sky was gone. Fear was a living thing inside him, clawing at his throat, choking him. He was being taken. There was no escape. Section 4. Scars of the Unseen, Arthur's Lingering Trauma. Arthur returned, hours later, or was it days? He found himself back in his bed, but he was not the same. The world felt different, tainted, alien. Colors seemed too bright, sounds too loud. He felt like a stranger in his own life, in his own skin. Sleep brought no solace, no escape, only nightmares. Vivid replays of the cold room, the dark eyes, the silent figures. He woke up screaming, night after night. He told his story, again and again, to Sarah, to doctors, to anyone who would listen, and to many who would not. The details never wavered, not once. The chilling consistency was itself unnerving. Section 5. A harvest of questions, humanity's place in the cosmos. If Arthur's story is true, even a fraction of it, the implications are immense, terrifying. What is the purpose of this biological harvesting? This cold, detached collection of human material? Why us? Are we merely resources? Cattle for an unknown advanced intelligence? Lab rats for cosmic scientists? The questions echo in the vast emptiness of space, and in the quiet terror of the night. They demand answers. Some researchers speculate. Alien experimentation. They study us. Our biology, our genetics, our emotions. Perhaps for scientific understanding, to catalog life in the universe, or for reasons far beyond our comprehension. Reasons that serve their agenda, not ours. Are they curious, or are they preparing for something? Something we cannot yet imagine. The lack of answers is a torment, a constant gnawing uncertainty. Darker theories exist, whispers in hushed tones, talk of hybrid breeding programs, an attempt to merge species, to create something new, something that is part them, part us. For what purpose?